Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Patreon how to unfollow. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you can do is head over and open up your browser, and then on the search bar type in patreon.com. Now once the homepage loads, what you need to do is simply log in with the credentials. Now once logged in order to unfollow, what you need to do is visit the profile of the creator you want to unfollow. So simply tap on the search bar and then type in the creator's name, and then once you are there, locate the creator profile that you want to unfollow. Let me just select this one right here, and once you are inside there, you'll be seeing a three-dotted button on the share icon. Simply tap on that, and here if you have followed the creator, you'll find an option to unfollow it. Simply tap on unfollow to unfollow the selected creator. Now if you are using it from your app, simply head over and open up your Patreon app, then tap on the search icon and find the creator's profile. If you see a following button, simply tap on it to unfollow. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.